Shout out Cole. You know what Cole says?
What's he saying?
Go ahead, Mo. That's what he says.
Yeah.
I didn't say it. He said it. Netflix might add ads after shock stock drop. What is this rap? I felt like it was a Rough Riders anthem there for a second. Shout out G-Man. G-Man's asking about the Johnny Depp situation. Do either of you know enough about it to even comment?
I don't know enough. No.
Yeah, me neither.
I know surface level.
You guys, I saw you watching the whole thing yesterday.
I was watching it, yes.
So you must know
still
everything
ongoing.
You must know something.
I think Jack is the one that's most educated.
Okay, all right. Well, we're gonna have to wait.
have him.
We're gonna have to wait for Jack. I haven't really been following. It's all very sad.
That's the thing.
I turned it on for like 2 minutes maybe, and he's talking about trying to make it work, this relationship, and dealing with the abusive and negative nature of it. And I'm like, am I gonna do 2 hours of this?
Yeah, there is, like, I was listening to one, and sometimes you get the feeling of, like, man, this feels like I'm invading. Like, some of it's just way too...
Like, why is this conversation
intimate.
happening in public?
Yeah.
Why is this happening in the court system? Why can't...
Yeah. Well, I
It's
guess
such a
that adds
personal-
the drama to it, right? Like,
Well,
why
sure.
is this so huge right now? But it's not a happy conversation.
Happy?
That one,
No. But it's also, I'm not sure what to do with the information. It's one of those things where you get this information
and you just feel helpless about
you can't
it.
process it.
Yeah.
You can't do much with it. It's like, okay.
And there's a lot of he says, she says. So.
Yes. And just, okay, we're both, this was a terrible situation together. And then you're kind of left there. No resolution.
Yeah.
So-
No answer. No, it's, what's going on here? Is this
It's live. I guess it's live right now. Johnny Depp testifies in defamation. He's testifying again?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
Sorry, Will, you go ahead. You know
It
more
just
about
keeps
this.
going. Like these testimonies.
Wow.
No, but you don't dispute that.
So there was a lawsuit that he
cocaine.
lost, though.
The pill.
This is
and
him
the
suing
plant
somebody
stuff.
else.
Answer. My sister Christy has over many years.
So this is like,
since my youth.
yeah, it's happening
had
right
a
now.
number of worries.
They had
about
one
consumption
yesterday as well.
Growing up. Yes, she talked.
It's so crazy. And then they sit there in front of all these people
Yeah.
And in the first, she
and
tells them
talk
she's watching
about
Black Mass
all their
for the first
fighting,
time, right?
Yeah.
all their arguments.
And
And why it happened and who did what. And
5 days later,
obviously nobody's agreeing on
Can
anything.
you imagine even trying to remember, to recall every argument you've ever had?
I mean, they go far as back. Like, I saw one incident was from 2012. And I'm like, what?
Wow.
I was graduating high school. I don't remember what I did that summer.
Shout out Mo on the graduation.
publish that. Okay. Thank you.
Right? You know,
Like she's taking notes.
Yeah, I don't know if she testified yet.
She's
Maybe
taking
someone
notes.
in the comments, but all I've seen this week was Johnny Depp on the podium.
She's taking notes. What do her notes say? You know what her note says? Ha 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 ha.
Well, he's suing. Who is he suing? Because I think it's like a
Her $50
no.
million.
I don't think he's suing her. I think he's suing.
It's a defamation trial against her.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes. Yeah, he's saying you ruined my career, and that's worth $50 million. It's wild. It's wild stuff. I mean, definitely his career has been affected by this.
Well, he lost the job. Fantastic Beast.
You're not trying to hire him right now. It's a lot. So many problems. It's too risky because this is a guy who will be attached to projects in the hundreds of millions of dollars.
Oh yeah, family movies and
He's
not making the list.
It's too
anymore.
risky for you
No.
to be aligned with that. I mean, he can open up new categories. He can call up like Quentin Tarantino or whatever. He doesn't. He loves that arc.
Yeah,
The
the
career
Pirates
arc.
brand.
No,
Remember?
Pirates. What is that?
The
Disney?
Disney? Yeah.
No, Pirates.
They made so much money.
Oh my God! Don't even.
Oh, and
Don't
he
even
was
start.
great.
Well, he
He
himself.
was great.
He himself made so much money.
Yeah, I think the extra sad part for me about this is just like it's very obvious like how his addiction issues have affected his life, and it's just very upsetting.
I think that's a decent characterization. the word upsetting.
Mm-hmm.
It's definitely upsetting. This is not upsetting. Oh, we're still on Netflix.
Yeah, did you? We just started this.
Oh yeah, we're somebody actually was just asking about the Johnny Depp thing. So
Yes.
Yeah.
well, listen, if you guys care about it, I'll look into it. You guys let me know.
It is sad. Just the whole thing. It's exactly what you imagine it would be.
So the only way I'm going to go down this rabbit hole is if the community wants it to happen.
Okay.
So if you guys,
Yeah, we should have a vote.
yeah, if you guys want to get to the bottom of the Johnny Depp thing, then say it in the chat and say it in the comments. And if not, then let us know as well, because it's going to be going on for a while if we want to stay updated on it.